Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to play online with friends in EA Sports FC 25. Let's get started. The first way is Online Friendlies. Create a new friendly season, invite your friends to join your room, play together in a fun match without affecting your rankings. This is perfect for casual matches and testing your skills with friends. Next is Co-op Season. Team up with your friends and play against other players in competitive matches. Work together to climb the ranks and improve your team. Co-op is a great way to practice teamwork and strategy online. You can also play with friends in Ultimate Team, play Rush mode with your friends, play friendlies using your Ultimate Team squad. These modes let you enjoy the game with your friends without affecting your competitive records. If your friend isn't on your friend list, you can add them on the EA app. Click on the top right corner, type your friend's EA ID, real name, or email address. Send an invite and start playing together. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.